From Failure to Success: The Inspiring Journey of a Serial Entrepreneur. There was a man named Mark who had always dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur. When he was in college, he started his first business with some friends. They sold handmade crafts, but the business failed to take off, and they had to shut down. Mark refused to give up his dream and decided to start another business. This time, he launched a mobile app that was designed to help people find local events. Unfortunately, the app was too complicated, and no one used it. Mark was starting to think that maybe entrepreneurship wasn't for him, but he couldn't shake the feeling that he had more to offer. He decided to take a break and think about what he really wanted to do. During this time, Mark worked different jobs to fund his living expenses. He was an Uber driver, a bartender, and even worked at a convenience store. Through these experiences, Mark discovered his passion for cooking. He began to cook different dishes and sell them to his friends and coworkers. Everyone raved about how delicious his food was, and Mark realized that he could turn his passion into a business. He started small by selling his dishes at local farmers' markets. Business was slow at first, but Mark didn't give up. He continued to improve his recipes and customer service, and soon people were lining up to try his food. Mark then decided to open his own restaurant. He poured all of his savings into the restaurant and worked tirelessly to ensure that it would be a success. He crafted a menu that was unique but also featured classic dishes that everyone loved. Finally, the day of the grand opening arrived. Mark was nervous but also excited. He had never seen so many people in one place, and he was overwhelmed by the amount of support he got from the community. The restaurant was a huge success, and Mark was finally able to realize his dream of being a successful entrepreneur. He never forgot his previous failures, but those experiences taught him important lessons. He knew that failure was a part of the journey, but it wasn't the end of the journey. Mark's journey from failure to success was inspiring to many, and he became an inspiration to others who had dreams of starting their own business. He proved that with hard work and dedication, anyone could achieve their goals.